Hello, students. Welcome back to our class. Today, we will be looking at our last unit, Unit 9. Let's Perform. In this unit, you will read a well known nonsense poem, focus on the features of a script, and learn to adapt a simple story into a script and perform a play. The subtopics are poems to perform, stories to adapt, creating characters, write a play script, and perform a play. Now, let us look at the subtopic 1 and 2, poems to perform. Some poems can be read and enjoyed silently, but others are better when read aloud or performed. Here you will read a well known nonsense poem written by Edward Lear. Nonsense poems are humorous or whimsical. They differ from other comic verse. It often uses coined or meaningless words. As you read through and come to the second stanza, you will find that some performance notes have been added. With the help of these performance notes, you can practice performing the poem. You can use props and actions, be creative and original, and bring out the nonsense in the poem. The third topic, stories to adapt. The story on page 136, The Sparrow's Quest, is an excerpt from P. Boy and Other Tales from Iran. It is the story of a feeble, hungry sparrow who seeks for the most powerful force in the world, and just as she is about to die with hunger and exhaustion, she realizes that it was she who was powerful. On page 137, you will find that the story is adapted into a play and that the structure has also changed. A play script is a story that has been written for actors to perform. The play script gives a detail of the characters, how many actors to take part, and the items to be used. The setting describes the arrangement of the props and characters. The stage directions show how the actor is to behave and speak. And the use of brackets, which are used to separate the stage directions from the dialogue. Now, when you look at the dialogue, you will notice that speech marks are not used for the dialogue in the play script, but speech marks are used for the dialogue in the story. The fourth topic, creating characters. When we go through the play script, the dialogue, stage directions, and the props help us to create and develop the characters. Use describing words, that is, adjectives, to describe the characters in the play. Example, a small sparrow. Now, let us look at the degree of comparison. Adjectives have three degrees of comparison, that is, the positive, the comparative, and the superlative degree. In the positive degree, there is no comparison. It only describes about the quality. Example, Tom is a tall boy. In the comparative degree, comparison is between two things or persons. We add er or more to the adjective. Example, Tom is taller than Sam. In the superlative degree, comparison is between more than two things or persons. We add est or most to the adjective. Example: Tom is the tallest boy in the class. The fifth topic: write a play script. A play script is written in the direct speech without any narrative. It uses stage directions to show how the dialogue should be spoken and how the characters should behave. Capital letters are used for the names of the characters, and brackets are used for stage directions. Here in page 140, question number 2, you will have to write the missing dialogue in the script. You can make sentences of your own for the dialogue. Now, when you read the end part of the story on page 141, you should be able to get the basic plot and the deeper meaning or message conveyed in the story. Then you can practice writing the end part of the story in the play script format like the one on page 137. Include stage directions in brackets and write the dialogue in your own words. Our sixth and the last topic: perform a play. Plays are written to be performed. Some of the tips to perform a play are: decide who will play which part, what are the props or items to be used, what costumes to use, where to enter, stand, and exit, speak loudly and clearly, use expressions, know your lines well, perform with confidence, and remember that you should not turn your back on the audience. With the help of these tips, you are supposed to perform the Sparrow's Quest as a play in the class, but that will not be possible due to the situation now. But remember to keep the tips in your mind so that you can perform well whenever you are asked to perform a play. This is all from this unit. That brings us to the end of our course. We will only be going for revisions in our next classes. Until then, stay safe.